In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause store on Shopify temporarily close Shopify store. By the end, you'll know how to put a clear, temporarily closed message in front of your storefront so customers understand what's going on while you take a short break or perform maintenance. This approach focuses on updating the message shown through your online store preferences, which is a quick, reversible way to communicate downtime without making big changes to your site. First, open your Shopify store and sign in to your admin. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This section controls what visitors see on your storefront, so it's exactly where we want to be for a temporary closure note that customers can read the moment they land on your site. Next, click Preferences. The Preferences page is where Shopify groups important storefront settings like SEO, analytics, and your password or message settings. Within this page, find the area labeled Message or the field where you can add a short notice for visitors. This is the spot you'll use to tell customers the store is temporarily closed. Type a clear, friendly message that sets expectations. Keep it short, specific, and reassuring. For example, you could write something like, "We're temporarily closed while we make improvements. Thanks for your patience. Please check back on insert date." If you have an expected return date, include it so customers know when to revisit. You can also mention how existing orders are being handled and point customers to a general support channel if needed, but avoid including any sensitive information. The goal is to reduce confusion and help visitors feel informed. Once your message looks good, click Save. Give it a moment to apply your changes. It's a good idea to open your storefront in a new browser tab and confirm that the message appears the way you expect. If it doesn't show right away, refresh the page or try viewing it in a private browsing window to bypass cached content. That's it for the update. When you're ready to reopen, come back to the same Preferences page, remove or update the message, and click Save again so customers see that you're back. Remember, this method is ideal for communicating a temporary closure on your storefront. It doesn't change your billing or plan. If you need a full pause to reduce charges, you would manage that separately in your account settings. For most short breaks though, updating this message is fast, clear, and easy to reverse.